Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fumike with a new video today. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you for always coming here, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Fumike. I create content on business ideas, different tutorials and lifestyle. My goal on this channel is to provide you with multiple streams of passive income, which is something I've been doing and passionate about. If any of this resonates with you, kindly go ahead and subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have a new video. So today I'll be sharing with you best business you can start with 15,000 Naira as a student in Nigeria. We all need to find another source of income to provide for our basic needs. Our needs are insatiable. That's why I'm sharing this with you. If you're a student or a stay-at-home mom who stays in a busy environment, please stay tuned as this will be very, very useful for you. The first business I'll be talking about is perfume oil business. Yes, perfume oil business. Many of us are yet to tap into that business. Yes, perfume oil is actually a very lucrative business you can start with little capital. Yes, with little capital. That business is a gold mine if you do it very well. With perfume business, you can get over 100% turnover in profit. Yes. Take that from me. Yes, I'm into perfume oil business and I know what I'm talking about. How do you start this? You simply find a wholesaler, yes, a supplier who buys or who imports perfume oil in bulk. Yes, in bulk. Then you go to them and liaise that, oh, you want to start perfume oil, you want to start with 3 meals. Yes, that is the best. Considering the money we're talking about, 15,000 Naira, we are working on a budget. So the best size of perfume oil you want to go for is the 3 meals. Yes, 3 meals. And we're talking about 15,000 Naira. So you can get like 3 meals, and most times in the wholesales, 3 meals sells within 250 to 300 Naira per one in wholesales when you're buying in bulk. Yeah, so with that you should be able to get about 50 pieces. Yes, 50 pieces of 3 meals for 15,000 Naira. So if you're a student or a stay-at-home mom, if you're a student and you're within students in colleges, in campuses, hostels, and you take those 3 meals oil to classes and sell one for 500 within 500 to 600 Naira. Yes, 3 meals is sold at 500 Naira, 600 Naira in retail. So when you take those perfume oils to your classes, to lecture rooms, to different hostels and sell, like everybody loves smelling good, of course. And once they see that, oh, this quality of oil is actually great, they would always come back. Yes, 500 Naira. Always show up and advertise, be friendly about it. Yes. Even at my place of work, I am selling perfume. I have somebody who will come to our office. Everybody in the office will collect a bottle of perfume, each 500 Naira, and you pay your money. So imagine selling like 50 pieces in few days. You should be able to sell that. Then you go back again, and that is how it works. For each 15,000 oil, about 50 pieces, you should be getting about 5,000 to 7,000 profit. Yes, on each, or let's say 5,000 Naira starting, and maybe every week you're getting that. You're reselling a week, you finish all. That is how you're going to build a brand out of that. So as time goes on, you will be able to start getting other sizes like 6 meals, 8 meals, 10 meals, and the likes. And that is how you start an empire of perfume oil business. Even if you're a working class woman, you can take it to your office, market and advertise to your colleagues. Yes, to customers who come around. If you're one who deal directly with customers, market to them and sell your perfume oil. Please don't be shy about this also. Once it is legit, do not be shy about it. Yes, open your mouth and market your business. Yes, carry it on your head like gala. The second business I'll be talking about is fried dried pomo. Yes, dried pomo. God, the money in this business. It's just that if I start pomo business, you people will be telling me that how many business do I want to sell, and I've told you guys that there's really nothing me I cannot sell. Yes, there is nothing. Only human being. That's what. When it comes to product, there is really nothing I cannot sell. Yes, I say this very well. If I start, people say, "Hey, Fumike, you started pomo business again." So please. I'm not starting pomo business. So fried pomo business. There are 2 ways to this particular business. You can choose a full bag of pomo is sold within 30,000 Naira. Yes, around 30,000 Naira. So with 15,000 Naira, you can get half bag of pomo. After getting you repackage them in smaller chunks, in smaller packages, like in smaller liners, and resell them. Go and liaise with food vendors. Yes, caterers, food vendors, and sell to them. Or better still, you can also do this. Yes, by the side, you prepare it nicely. Yes, prepare the pomo, look for one better sauce, go and get recipes, go on YouTube to see Emmy's channel, delicious food, and go and find out to prepare correct pomo sauce. Prepare those pomo like nicely. You can also get fried potato or fried yam, add to it and package it very well and market to people. Small plate could be around 500 naira depending on your location and depending on the people around you. Yes, you know their capacity. You can take them to offices and sell to people for lunch. Yes, like you guys don't value me enough. So you can take them to offices and sell. If you're with students, you can package them in smaller chunks, maybe with those disposable foam packs, and sell maybe 200 naira. Package them, potato by one side, the pomo and the sauce by another side. Package them together and sell to people. And tell who won't love to buy it for lunch. It's something they can easily eat and feel satisfied at least till they get home. People will definitely buy. Take them to offices, take them to your school, to places around you. And if you're in a busy environment, this is another plus for you. Maybe a park, a bus stop that crowds are always trooping in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. This is actually a good idea for you. Yes, so you can choose to sell it raw like that, or you can choose to prepare it. Yes, add fried potato or fried yam to it, package it nicely and sell to people. Yes, please consider this. Even me, the way I'm talking about it, I feel like this is something I can actually do. But then how many business do I want to do? So that is that for that. Let's move to the third point. So the third one I'll be talking about is become a second-hand clothes vendor. Yes, second-hand, we call them okirika in this part of the world. So with 15,000 naira, you can go to where they usually open those bills, like the places like Arena in Oshodi. I'm talking for Lagos. Those are where I know very well. Arena in Oshodi, there is Yaba, there is Aswani, I think Katangua, but I don't know how functional that is. Yes, at the moment it's been a while I've been there last, so you can go there on their market days. Go very early in the morning and select great clothes, like first grade, very beautiful clothes with 1,000 I want to. If you go there during their market days in the morning when they are just opening their bills, go and select nice clothes. Take them back home, wash them, iron them, and repackage them. You can sell each for 3,000 naira. So let's say with that 15,000 naira, you're able to get like 15 dresses, depending on how much you get them. Maybe you're able to get 10-15 pieces, or let's just work with 10. When you get back home, like, wash them, repackage them, iron them, repackage them, and take them to people. Advertise. You can sell one within 2,500 to 3,000 naira. Yes, I know what I'm talking about. So on that time, you're selling the old 10 for 30,000 naira or 25,000 naira, as the case may be, and you bought it for 15,000 naira. Can you see the profit margin? About 10,000, 15,000 on each sales you make. That is something. Yes, so please, no darling. If it sounds like something you can do, please look into this and start something with that 15,000 naira. Yes, enough of buying subscriptions and not you only used to post and all that, or using all your hands to it. Please. So the fourth one I'll be talking about is selling of phone accessories. I heard that at Alaba International Market here in Lagos, earpiece, those earpiece we use are sold for 50 naira to 100 naira each. Yes, at all sales they are sold within 50 to 100 naira each. And imagine if you're a student within a large population of students, and you know that not everybody will be able to afford AirPods and the expensive Bluetooth earphones and all. So these are things you can go to Alaba Market, go and get those earpiece. Yes, you could get like 100 pieces. One is sold for 50 naira or so. So with 5,000 naira there, you should be able to get within 50 to 100 pieces. Get cords, cheap cords, but make sure that there will be things that people can use for a while. Get cords and charger and add to it and take to school and sell within your peers, within your friends, within fellow students. Take them to different hostels, your classrooms, your lecture rooms, and sell to people. Yes, it sells like. So take them to classes and sell to people. They will always come back again. Another thing to it is you can go to Computer Village if you're in Lagos, liaise with wholesalers or store owners in those places. Then you give them maybe 15,000 naira. They give you products worth more than 15,000 naira. But then I think you have to have a guarantor, and you need to be somebody who has a great record. Yes, when it comes to financial scores or credit score. So go there, they will give you goods worth more than 15,000 naira. You go to your school, sell them. When you're almost done selling them, you go back, remit the money to them, collect another one. Like, I know people who started business that way and they are doing very well for themselves. So please, if you can go to Alaba International Market, or you go to Keja Computer Village to liaise with people and get goods worth more than how much you give them. Phone accessories, AirPods, if possible, earphone. You can actually start with earphones, charger, cord, screen guard, and the likes, and sell. Once you're done, go back and take another batch, and that is it. Yes. So the fifth one I'll be talking about is making Zobo or Kunu drink. To my fellow Zobo lovers, when I see a good Zobo, I can go to any length to get. Yes, and these are actually drinks that are very easy. They really do not require any other know-how. Yes, it's very easy to prepare. Go on YouTube and learn how to prepare Zobo drink, hibiscus drink, or Kunu. Yes, and start packaging it. Yes, go to Ojota, get bottles. Yes, bottles, I think it should be cheap, in dozens. Get them and package them nicely. Make sure the quality is great. You can sell within 150 to 200 naira. Make sure it's cold. Traffic, you can get people who take them to traffic. Or if you're in the school environment, you can sell to students or take to those who have canteens or shop within your school and tell them to help you sell. For each maybe for each dozen, they have their particular cost. Do you get, like, we cannot afford to be broke. We cannot afford to be broke. In fact, if I knew half of what I know today while I was still a student, like full-time student, I would have built an empire. Yes, I would have built an empire, but thank God for where we are. So this is another thing you can hack into. So just make sure they are chilled and they taste just great, and you always get sales. Yes, reasonable sales. Another business you can start, this is like a plus, it's buy and resell press-on nails. Yeah, it's actually a kind of nails that you can fix and remove. Yes, I think recently people have been asking me if I have it, but then that's not my niche. That is why I'm not so into it. But then within school environment, I feel this will also sell fine. With 15,000 naira, you should be able to get those kind of nails, press-on nails. They could be removed and returned. Yes, that's something good about that particular nails. You can get them in bulk from the market, take to your school, to offices, and resell, and go back and buy more. And it's really doing great. It's really doing great in market recently. So these are actually businesses you can hack into with just 15,000 naira. Yes, with just 15,000 naira. Please, if we have anyone watching this video and you're into any of the side gigs or side hustle, please let us know in the comment section. Yes, I would love to hear from you. And if you don't want to share it publicly, you can send me a DM on Instagram. Please share your experience with me, or you can send a mail to me. I'll link my handle and my email address right on the screen. Please share your experience so far with me. I really hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Please, it helps the algorithm. Also, make sure to comment in the comment section. Please don't come to my DM and be dropping comments that you should have dropped in the comment section. Please do not be stingy with comment and your likes, and also share this video to anyone, like to different platforms you feel like people would always benefit from. I also have a lot of videos on this channel where I talked about dropshipping and different side also you can do in any category you fall into. For dropshipping, I have a dropship group where I have over 400 people dropshipping for me. I'll put the link to join that group in the box below. Please check it out, but please note that you'll be required to pay 1,005 commitment fee. This is to filter serious people who are ready for business. If you need a clarity section or a one-on-one business section with me, I also offer such service. Each section costs 5,000 naira. I'll put the link to book a section with me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Catch you in the comment section and in other videos I have on this channel. Thank you so much. I love you all.